The more you can look at your ego as a tool, the more likely you're going to have opportunities and pathways to success. Today I want to talk about a common misconception about our ego. You see, our ego is our greatest tool when used properly. Instead of looking at your ego as a reflection of yourself, you should be looking at your ego as a tool that can be dialed up or dialed down to help you achieve results. You see, when we look at our ego this way, we are able to achieve higher results. Ego is essentially confidence. We've all seen multiple times in life, in sports, in relationships, where confidence has helped somebody achieve higher results than the evidence would have suggested they're capable of doing. By increasing your ego at the right moment, you can achieve higher results. But we need to be able to find that sweet spot, or else we become arrogant or too cocky. So what you can do is to dial it up. You can start focusing on affirmations or body language, or simply just remembering times in the past where you have achieved. Do this in moments where you need that confidence boost, where you need a little bit more to achieve higher results. This has helped me in my life in sports to achieve things I didn't think I could do, as well as business, as well as my relationships. So sometimes being able to dial it up in the right situation can help you get better results. But then we also need to be able to dial it down in certain situations. For example, let's say that your boss comes to you and says, I'm going to give you a different opportunity, but you're going to get paid less, but you're going to have better chances to grow over time to a higher position. If you don't dial down your ego, you're going to dismiss that because who wants to be paid less? If you're able to achieve that and dial down that ego, then you are capable of taking that position and having better growth. So sometimes we have to be able to dial it back. You can practice dialing it back by simply reminding yourself of all the times you might have been wrong when you thought you were right in life. Simply ask, is there a chance I am completely wrong here? Doing so will help you remember that, dial back that ego, and remember you've been wrong in the past. Maybe you're wrong in this situation. So what you want to do is be able to find that sweet spot for your ego. The more you can look at your ego as a tool, the more likely you're going to have opportunities and pathways to success and to higher achievements. So start practicing and start using that ego as a tool for your benefit.